Your Amazon account doesn't suddenly become dangerous the day Amazon suspends it. The warning signs usually appear much earlier. And the problem is that many sellers watch sales, conversion, and advertising every single day, while barely checking the one dashboard that can tell them their account is moving toward a serious problem. That's account health. Here's the part sellers often misunderstand. You don't need a 1,000 account health rating to be safe. Amazon says anything above 200 is considered healthy. Once you fall below 200, you're in the at-risk zone. And below 100, your account becomes eligible for deactivation. Amazon's own best practices guidance specifically points sellers toward shipping/delivery performance, customer service, accurate listings, inventory management, and policy compliance. Don't obsess over the number itself. Find the violations and performance problems underneath it. Check these today. Open Seller Central, right arrow account health and check. Account health rating, what's your current number? Policy compliance, are there unresolved violations? Performance, are shipping, cancellation, or customer service metrics creating risk? Listing compliance, are your product claims, descriptions, and images accurate? Action required, is Amazon asking you to submit information, documentation, or corrective action? Then don't wait until the number turns red. If something is sitting unresolved in account health, that's the thing you need to deal with. Your account health rating is the dashboard. The violations are the actual problem. A green number doesn't mean you should stop checking. And a lower number doesn't automatically mean you're getting suspended tomorrow. What matters is understanding what's driving the score and addressing policy issues quickly. Then, Amazon itself says the most important factor in keeping your account healthy is maintaining policy compliance and quickly addressing violations. Overall, if you sell on Amazon, check your account health dashboard today. And subscribe to EcomClarity, because the next problem is easier to fix before it becomes an emergency.